Komen Foundation Race for the Cure is this weekend.
And once again, CBS 2 is bringing you stories of breast cancer survivors, as well as the latest developments in breast cancer research. CBS 2's Dr. Max Gomez here to tell us some exciting developments. Doc?
That's right, Maurice and Christine. The Komen Foundation has partnered with 15 breast cancer organizations now to focus attention, support, and research on metastatic breast cancer. That's a type of breast cancer where recent findings are about to lead to new and very effective treatments. Lisa Muller was just 29 years old, recently married, physically fit, and by all appearances, healthy as they come, until she found a lump in her breast.
I was diagnosed with at least stage 3.
Lisa did 6 rounds of chemo, 25 rounds of radiation, and had a double mastectomy. All seemed fine for 2 years.
That's when they discovered a tumor in my brain. So it had spread to my brain.
Lisa had become one of a growing number of women with metastatic breast cancer that has spread to other organs. At that point, breast cancer is presently considered incurable, but not untreatable.
What we can do increasingly is to prolong the life of these patients and allow them to have a life with good quality.
The key to this progress came with the recognition that every breast cancer is different.
For every patient, we can look at their specific tumor, look at the DNA inside their tumor, and see what's driving that cancer cell to replicate.
So now scientists are increasingly analyzing every metastatic breast cancer to see how aggressive that tumor really is. And just as importantly,
what treatment is going to be best for that particular case? What is the repertoire of mechanisms of resistance?
One such drug soon to be submitted for FDA approval is an oral drug called palbociclib that blocks certain proteins that make cancer cells so deadly.
These are pills that the patients take at home, and they prolong the lives of these patients in a very significant way.
It's not yet a cure, but as Lisa Muller battles her cancer, it is hope.
A long life. I hope they find a cure.
Because these therapies are targeted at specific pathways that make cancer cells different from normal cells, they generally have far fewer side effects, in addition to being much more effective than conventional chemotherapy. Now, one such drug, palbociclib, is expected to be FDA approved very soon. Maurice, Christine?
All right, Dr. Max, thank you.